how to delete Coinbase Wallet application. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Coinbase Wallet application. In this video, I'm going to show you two different ways to uninstall, delete or get rid of your Coinbase Wallet application. The first method is to find the Coinbase Wallet on your home screen, and once you find it here, long press on the application and then a pop-up will appear. Here you will be able to see the option uninstall. Now you can go ahead and tap on uninstall and confirm it by tapping on uninstall once again. This will help you to get rid of Coinbase Wallet application. Also, the another method to do so is you will need to open your Play Store of your device first, and here at the bottom right, tap on the search icon, and then you will be able to see the search bar at the top on this page. Here in this page, tap on the search bar at the top and there type in Coinbase Wallet. Once you type in the keyword, now you can press the search icon of your keyboard to search for it. Once you find the application, here tap on the app icon and you will reach inside it. Here you will be able to see the option uninstall. Go ahead and tap on this uninstall button and now confirm it by tapping on uninstall once again. By doing so, you will see you have successfully deleted your Coinbase Wallet application from your mobile device. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.